Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about IMO 2018 SAT A for class 2. And first we have logical reasoning section. Question number 1. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. So this is the question mark value in figure 3 and we have to find out this value. So if we see carefully, so in 1 and 2, this central value is the addition of all the surrounding values. For example, 5 plus 6 11 plus 2 13 plus 1 14, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6 and 5 11. So we have to add all the surrounding values to find out the question mark value. So it is 6 plus 9 15 plus 5 20 plus 22. So option B is correct. Next, question 2, find the odd one out. So we have given these three items and fourth one is the odd one out because all these three are the kitchen utensils and fourth one is the hammer. Question 3, if every Sunday is a holiday and Tarun was on leave on all Mondays and all Wednesdays of April, then total number of days Tarun did not go to office. So yes, in this question, if we consider Sunday is a holiday and Monday and Wednesday Tarun was on leave. So we have to tell about the total number of days Tarun did not go to office. Means these days we have to count these days only. It's Monday, okay, and days of Wednesday and days of Sunday. So let's count it. Like Monday, first we count the Sundays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total 13 days. So option D. Next question 4, pencil blank is second to the left of third pencil from the right end. Okay, so this is the left end, this is the right end. So third pencil from the right. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3. And second to the left of third. So second to the left. So this is 1 and 2. So this L. Option D. Next question 5. If candle is called lantern and lantern is called CFL and CFL is called bulb, then what will you blow out at the time of your birthday celebration? And we blow out candle, which is called here lantern. So this is option C. Next question 6. How many groups of 2 footballs each can be formed from the given football? So we have to make groups of 2 football and should know about the groups. So let's distribute 1 group, 2, 3, 4 and 5 groups. So this is the B option. Question 7, blank is the longest ice cream stick and blank is the shortest ice cream stick. Okay, so we have to tell about the longest and the shortest. So first let us see. Okay, this is B stick. So this is the given length in some boxes. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 boxes long. Then Q stick. So we should count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes long. And this R, this stand from here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. And S stick, it is starting from here and up to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So shortest we have S and longest we have Q. So Q and S, this is option B. 8th question. There are blank rectangles and blank circles in the given figure. So we should count the number of rectangles. So first rectangles, this is 1, 2 and 3 and 1 is the complete this structure. So 4 rectangles and circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Let's count it again. Okay, and then one is 21. Okay, so we have 4 and 21. This is the option C. Question number 9. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? So this is the given figure and these are the given parts. So first option, this one, look at this structure. This is completely embedded in the given figure. So option A is the correct answer. 10. Question number 10. If Diwali is related to crackers in some way, then the same way Holi is related to colors and waters. So it is option B. Next section is mathematical reasoning section. So question number 11. What is the height of the tree shown here? So we can see here, like if we enlarge it. So this is the height of the tree. That is the one less than the 35. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34. So 34 meter. This is the correct answer. Next question is 12. 317 more than 218 is. So first let's add it. 7 and 8, it is 15. And 1 and 1, 2, 3, 3 and 2, 5. So 535. D option is the correct answer. Which of the following shapes have no curved lines? So this is the shape given and this is curved line, this is curved line and this is also the curved line. So but R and T, these are the two structure in which there is no curved line. So answer is option C. 14. Which of the following options correctly shows increasing order of the given set of numbers? Okay, so this is the order and increasing. So smallest one is 508. So 508 in these three options. Then it is 516, 516, 516. Then it is 531. So 531. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Select the subtraction sentence that shows the given conditions. So number of balls with even numbers subtracted from the total number of balls is equal to the number of balls with odd numbers. Okay, just write this sentence. Total number of balls. So it is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 18. So total number of balls 18 minus number of balls with even numbers. So even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And remaining number of balls with odd number 8. So it is 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. C option. 16 question. I am an odd number, okay, and I am more than 202 but less than 222 minus 9. Who am I? Okay, so first I am more than 202 plus 7 means 209 and but less than 222 minus 9 means 213 and I am odd numbers. So first is 211, 210 it is some number, 219 it is not less than and it is 213. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next question is identify. Okay, one second. Identify the number. The digit at 100 place is same as that at 1 place. So 100 place and at 1 place digit is same. So this is here and this is here. So option B and D. A and C can be crossed out. The digit at tens place is the largest one digit number and largest one digit number is 9. So at tens place number 9 should be there. So it is in option D. So this is the correct answer. So the place value of 100 place digit is 32 tens more than 480. So 32 tens is this and then 480 more. So it is 0, 8. Okay, then it is 800 at the 100 value. Question number 18. If 3 roses, 1 sunflower is equal to 50 and 1 sunflower plus 1 marigold is 40 and 1 marigold is equal to 20, then 1 rose equal to. Okay, so we have given 1 marigold means if we put this value here 20, so sunflower value is, it becomes equal to 40 minus 20, that is the 20. And if we put the 1 value of sunflower, that is 20, so we will get the 3 roses. So 3 roses value equal to 50 minus 20, 30. It means 1 rose equal to 10. So this option A is the correct answer. Question 19. The given pictograph shows the number of books sold by leading bookstore in 4 different months. Study the graph and answer the following questions. First question is, these are the given rectangle and each rectangle stands for 2 books. Okay, then how many books were sold in 4 months altogether? First question. So first let's count this number of rectangles. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9. Here 4 rectangles, here 3, 5 and 10, then 11. Okay. So total rectangles value is equal to 9 plus 4, 13, 10, 23 and 11. It is 33 and 1, 34. Okay. Then one rectangle is equal to 2 books. So we should multiply it is by 2. So value is 68. So answer D. How many more books were sold in January than in Feb? So there are 9 rectangles. There are 4 rectangles. Mean 5 rectangles are more. So one rectangle is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So this is D answer. Question number 21. Everyday mathematics section is this. So first question, Mrs. Rai saved 258 to buy a calculator. How much more amount does she need to buy the given calculator? Okay. So Mrs. Rai ने के पास money है 258. Okay. And this value for calculator is 799. So how much more amount she need? So we have to subtract this value 258 from the given 799. So 9 minus 8, 1, 4 and 5. So 541. B option is the correct answer. Next 22. Ramya sold 2 dozens banana out of 30 bananas and Riya sold 3 dozens banana out of 40 bananas. Okay. And number of bananas left with them altogether is. So first 1 dozen, value of 1 dozen is equal to 12 bananas, right? And here Ramya sold 2 dozen, means she sold 22 bananas out of 30. So let's minus these values. So remaining are left bananas are 6. This is for Ramya. Then second is Riya. She sold 3 dozens banana out of 40. So 40 minus 12, 24 and 36 means left bananas are 4. So number of total bananas are 10. So answer D. Question 23. Ankur has the given quantity of paint. If Anish has 21 liter of paint more than Ankur, then the total quantity of paint they have altogether. So first this is the given quantity. Okay, this is the total given quantity of paint that is Ankur has. So for Ankur, the quantity is 18 and 18, 36, right? Then 15 and 18. So 15 and, sorry, it is 8. So let's add it. 6, 5, 11 plus 8, 19. 1 carry. Then 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. So 59. Okay. And Anish has 21 liter more. So Anish के पास होगा plus 21. So let's add it. 9 and 1, 10. 5 plus 2, 7 and 1, 8. So altogether total value should be 59 plus 80. That is the 139. Option A is correct answer. Okay. 24. A bus covers 77 km and a car covers 54 km with the same quantity of fuel, which covers less distance and by how much? Okay. So it is a car that covers less distance 54, but how much? So we have to subtract these values. So 743 and it is 2. So its answer is car 23 km less distance. So question 25. Priyanka is trying to make a cube using straws and balls of clay. She uses straws for making edges and clay balls for making corners. How many straws and balls will she need it? So there are 8 corners in a cube and 12 edges in a cube. So straw used should be 12 and 8 bowls of the clay. So option D is correct. Question 26. The starting time and ending time of Ramesh office is shown. The duration for which he works in the office is. So this is the starting time and this is the ending time. So the duration, we have to find the duration. So first it starts from 9 and then ends at 6:30. So count it from the 9. So like here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 hours, okay. But it is 30 minutes more. It is 6:30 time. So 9 hours and 30 minutes. So it is option B. Question 27. Sia has some kites and balloons. If she gives 2 kites and 2 balloons to each of her 3 friends, then blank will be left with her. So Sia has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kites and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons, right? And she gives 2 kites to 3 friends. It means she gave 6 kites. So remaining 2 value and balloons, 2 balloons to each of her 3 friends. It means she gave them 6. Okay. So remaining value is 1. So 2 kites and 1 balloon. Option D is the correct option. Next question 28. Rupa bought a pumpkin and a pineapple as shown. What is the total weight of 3 such pumpkins and 2 such pineapples? So this is pineapple. So 2 का हमें value find करना है and 3 pumpkins का value. Okay. And value for 1 pineapple it is given 5 kg. Okay. And for 2 it will be 5 into 2 that is 10. And for pumpkin it is for 1 7 kg and for 3 it will be multiply of 7. So 7 3 are 21. And total weight, what is the total weight? So it will be 21 plus 10, that is the 31, option C. Question number 29. A shopkeeper sells given tray of eggs in one day. If he sells same number of eggs every day, then he will sell 72 eggs in blank days. Okay, so these are the 3 trays. So in one tray we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. So means total 24 eggs in these trays. So 24 eggs was sale every day. So 72, it means 72 one day 24, second day more 48, in third day 72 eggs will be sold out. So 3 days required. So next question is, the given table shows the price of 2 types of books in 4 different bookstores. Bookstore blank will sell a story book and a drawing book together for maximum amount. Okay. So these are the different types of bookstore, and this is the given cost of story books, and here amount for the drawing books. So the maximum amount in total. So first we have to add these values. So first we just add the 100 value. So this is 6, the starting digit, and this is 7 and 2 9, this is 4 and 3 7, this is 6 plus 3 9. So means highest value should be from the either Q or S. So now let's complete this addition process. So first this is 9, then 4 and 5 9 and 9. Okay, then this 1 and 1 2, 4 and 2 6, and 6 and 3 9. So highest is for Q, right? So this is the correct answer. Next, achiever section. So for achiever section, question 31, match the figures given in column 1 with their corresponding missing parts given in column 2 and select the correct options. So this is column 1 and its missing part, it is like C. So 1C, this is given 1C. So this is the correct option. Okay. Next, we have question 32. Aman has to travel from his house to the market. Which of the following will be the shortest route? Okay, so there are three routes. Route 1, house, park, and market. Okay, then route 2, house, church, and market. And route 3 is house, library, and market. So we have to tell the shortest. So just add these values, okay, to find out the shortest distance. So first find the idea, like 2 plus 3, 5. So it will start from the digit 5, and 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So shortest route should be, this one or this one. So now let's add the complete numbers. So first 0, then 4 and 2, 6, and here 0, 7 and 8, 15, and 2 plus 3 and 1, 4. So shortest is the second, librarian mark. So option C is the correct answer. Question 33. Sum of numbers on which 2 owls is greater than 650 but less than 700. Okay. So we have to find the combinations value. So first let's count this one, P and Q. Okay. So count from here. 6 plus 7, 13. 3 and 3, 3 and plus 8, 11, and 1, 12. Then 1, 3, 3, 6, and 1, 7. It should be less than 700, so this is not the correct. So P and Q is wrong. Then Q and R. Okay. So 6 and 2, 8, 8, 1, 9, and 3, 1, 3, 6. It is less than 700 and greater than 650. So this is correct. But let's calculate this C, P, and R also. Like this. So this is 7 and 2, 9, 3 and 1, 4, and 3, 3, 6. Okay, it is less than 650. So this is wrong answer. So option B is the correct. Question number 34. Study the timing of daily activities of Payal as shown in the table and fill in the blanks. Activities that last for 1 hour in total are P and Q. P and Q यहाँ पे given है. Second statement, the activity that lasted for 15 minutes only is R. So R वो activity है जो सिर्फ 15 minutes के लिए है. So let's find out the timings. Okay, first is 1:30 to 2 means 30 minutes. Second one is 2 p.m. to 2:15 means 15 minutes only. So painting is the only activity in which we require only 15 minutes. So this is given only in one option, that is option C. So this option is the right, but let's find the correct explanation, complete explanation we have to find. So 2:15 to 3:30 o'clock, it is 45 minutes. 3 to 3:30, it is 30 minutes. And 4 to 4:30 again 30 minutes. So playing football and reading books, it lasts for 1 hour. So playing football, this one 30 minutes, and reading books 30. So yes, it is for 1 hour. So option C is correct answer. Question 35. Kunal went for shopping and bought one handbag. This handbag he bought one, 2 trousers. So this is 2 trousers and one cap. He gave rupees 100 note and 200 notes. So उसने कितना amount दिया? 100 plus 200 into 2, that is 400, plus 100 means 500. How much amount of money will he receive back? Okay. Now count, we should add these values of cap, trousers, and the bag. So values are 45, 17, and 175 2 times. So just add these values. So it is 5, 10, 15, and 4, 7, 11, and 7, 18, and then 7, it is 25, and 1, 26. So 2 and 2, 4. So 465 rupees. So subtract this value, and it will be 5 and 3, 35 rupees. So he will get 35 rupees back. So option D is correct answer. So it was all about today's SAT 2018 SAT A for class 2, and thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and share my channel. All the very best for your exams. Thank you.